So what we're trying to do in Aaron is recreate the real life experience of working as part of a big research team on a large project with some big overall common objectives.
What makes the NCAS Atmospheric Measurement Summer School so special? Well, this course is run by world-leading atmospheric scientists and gives PhD students and early career researchers the opportunity to develop essential fieldwork skills. On this course, students get the opportunity to make atmospheric measurements, understand the errors on those measurements, and then communicate the results.
Essentially, we try and get the students to look at the instrumentation we're using and understand the different principles of measurement that we're using. We get them to do this hands-on, so I will show them a few simple things to do and then let them run and decide their own calibration exercises.
One of the key things for me has been to remember the bigger picture. Obviously when you're doing your little bit of project, your little bit of work, you can really focus on one small thing, but there's a lot more going on. Atmospheric science research isn't something that you do in isolation, and this is especially true if you're making measurements. This is done these days by big teams of people working together, accessing large facilities and sharing data, generally all coming together to contribute to some bigger objective.
Coming on this course, I found most useful to do all the practical stuff, so really going out to do the measurements, to set up, for example, a weather station. And that taught me to keep in mind all the things like what do I need in practice to get a representative sample, what kind of errors can happen. When I look at them on the table, I only got it like the numbers, but I don't know really what's the story behind, how did I get to that data.
I think one of the things is they generally develop confidence and are not shy in questioning and asking details about what they're actually doing, questioning other people's opinions as well, standing up for themselves.
It's all about recreating the way in which real researchers work together on big observational projects.